everybody, thank you for watching. In today's video, I transformed myself into Black Widow. I figured since I've done a bunch of other superheroes, I had to add to the list this year. So I'm so obsessed with how this look came out. I think this is what I'm actually gonna be for Halloween this year. I do have one Halloween party that I plan on going to, so this is honestly iconic and I'm obsessed. So if you guys wanna see me transform into Black Widow, then please keep watching. Come say hello, baby man. Me and my boyfriend. So can we take a second to appreciate Mother Nature? I love the fall time. I kind of love this red hair too. This took a while to get on, but I think it's looking pretty slick. All right, we're gonna start off today's look with the Cover FX True Blend Primer. So this is the photo that I'm gonna go off of makeup wise. She has very natural makeup in the movie, but I feel like I've done like a lot of the female superheroes. And I just feel like I had to do this one. I got like a really sick costume and the wig, of course. For foundation, I'm using the Huda Faux Filter Foundation in 320G. It's looking a little crusty, but I'll fix it. Wigs are really hard, especially to fit over my long ass hair. I do have a video where I show how to fit long hair under a wig. So I'll link that below for you guys. Under now to get close to the hair. Then taking the Midnight Marigold Cream Contour, and I'm gonna contour my face. I'm gonna like do my baby hairs after so it covers like that weird edge of the wig. So I'm gonna try to contour my nose to look like her shape nose. Scarlett Johansson, that is. So it's like thinner on the top, and then it kind of comes out like a rounder tip. Which I actually have a rounder tip anyway, but I'm gonna take the Shape Tape in light medium. So I actually did a spray tan last night, or an at-home tan I should say, so her character is more on the lighter side. That's why I'm using like a lighter concealer, because I looked at more pictures and I feel like I'm making myself too tan. So I'm gonna lighten it up a bit. To set my under eyes, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape powder. I'm gonna take my Shade and Light palette, the light shade, and I'm just gonna very lightly go over the nose. And I just realized that this is my first video I'm filming since I'm 30. Forgot that I was 30. So her eyebrows are not as red as the hair. I have the brow pomade in Auburn, so I'm gonna see how that looks. I might like use, I think I'm gonna use ebony pencil and then I'm gonna put the Auburn over it. They kind of like come down. They have like an arch, and then they go more straight out, like that. Alright, so I'm gonna try the Auburn, see what it looks like. There's like a little bit of a red tint to it. You can use like a red eyeshadow too. So I'm gonna try to take this like hot pinky red and just add it in. See what that looks like. Just add a little bit of like red, yeah. Like a tint of the red. Taking a little bit of the gray shade from the Shade and Light palette. The contour shade, I should say. And I'll just use this palette since I used it for the brows, make it easier for anyone who wants to recreate it. I'm gonna take the color Bay, and this is gonna go all over my lid. With that large blending brush, I'm grabbing the color Sandalwood, and this is gonna go just right into the crease, very lightly. I'm gonna grab the color Henna, which is like that reddish brown. And this is gonna just go on the outer half of my eyelid and into the crease. So obviously in the movie she really doesn't have much eye makeup on, but I'm gonna do a little bit more of like a glam version of her. Because that's what I wanna do. Plus this color matches the hair nicely. I'm gonna just spray my face. A little moisture. Grabbing this yellow and peach shade, I'm gonna apply that right next to the nose to brighten it. So in the photo that I'm going off of, it looks like she has like a wing liner and some lashes on. So that's the one I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use these lashes. I think they're 217 double up. I wore them last night, so I'm gonna list it below the exact ones that they are. But these ones are one of my favorites. And they have a nice like wing at the end. While those lashes are drying, I'm gonna do some bottom shadow. I'm gonna use the color Cocoa. And I'm gonna add a little bit of that same shade to the crease. Just to connect it. Taking Bali from my palette to highlight. Under the brow. I'm grabbing Bossy, a little bit of Bossy, and I'm just applying that on the crease. And I'm gonna apply a little bit underneath too. Just because I'm gonna switch it up a little. Make it a little more dramatic. I'm using Gerard Cosmetics Lip Pencil in Share. And I'm just gonna fill it in. Next, I'm gonna do some mascara. For blush, I'm gonna take Peony by Kat Von D. So she has green eyes. So I have contacts. Let's see how they look. I hate contacts personally, but for the look, I'll do it. Probably should have done this before the mascara, but we shall see. Okay. Wish me luck. Can you see a difference? All right. I could temporarily wear these. Cool. I'm gonna let this heat up. And I don't wanna burn the wig, so I'm gonna try and use it quick, but these don't really hurt. All the other ones I remember trying on last year like really hurt me. They're a little like foggy, but I like them. All right, so she has a middle part, she has a side part. Can I get this wig to do a side part is the question. Or do I just leave it in the middle? Try to curl it in the front. Alright, so the baby hairs I want to do so this looks real. So what I'm going to do is use my edge booster, just a little bit, and just like glue down these baby hairs. I think I'm gonna leave it in the middle part just because this wig is made for a middle part. So I think it'll just look better because I didn't wash it. I've never actually washed a wig. Okay, I'm gonna go get dressed. I'll be right back. So this costume is literally iconic. It fits like a glove. So excited. They sent me 2 right feet. So I just messaged the guy. I should have looked, which I didn't, but he sent me 2 right shoes. So I was able to get it on for this video, but hopefully I can get another one because honestly, I might wear this for Halloween. I'm sweating in it, but it's freaking awesome. So this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.